This show is about giving a chance to 8 people who always dreamt of being an actor, but never got the opportunity.
Never had an option B.
Great actors can come from anywhere. It's not about your background, it's about your talent.
Now they have the chance of a lifetime to make their dream a reality.
I've got to put everything into it.
I'm nervous for them.
It's time to bring the drama.
Wednesdays at the following times on BBC Prime and Select.
Well, that is it for now here on BBC Prime. But don't forget you can watch all your favorite shows anytime on BBC Select. We'll be back later with CBeebies, but in the meantime, we'll keep you up to date with BBC News. See you later.
Well, hello there. Welcome to BBC Prime on Tuesday the 19th of March. So first up, who wants some fun?